Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will give you at least 4 ways by which you can use to change your canvas color in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Like for instance, if I decide to come to the top right here and create a new document, so I right click on here and I go ahead and click on new document right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Now, this particular document can be canvas color. Okay, now we want to change from white color right here, so we can easily click on here and then we can decide to change to black uh black or transparent or costume color right here. So I can go ahead and select black right here. You can see everything change to black. So if I decide to change to costume, I click on here and this is going to pump up right here, which will allow me to choose from this particular set of color right here. And if I click on OK, this allow me to have this particular color as my background color right here. So if I click on create right here, so we have the color right here. Now, this is one of the 2 ways to change your background color in Photoshop. Let's take a look at when you are working in the workspace right here and you decide to change the background color of one side of your page. So how do you do that? First thing first, what you want to do right here is to come down below right here. So make sure you create a new layer. Then having created a new layer, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to your toolbar right here. Select your rectangular marquee tool. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead. You can decide to change this part to another color. So how do you fill new color into these sections right here? Next thing you want to do is to come back to your toolbar right here and then make sure you select your paint bucket tool. Then having selected your paint bucket tool, then you have to come to your foreground color right here. Click on it and then you can decide to make this gray color, hit on OK. Then go ahead and drop it in the area that you selected. Then press Ctrl D to deselect so you have a new background entirely placed on this particular one right here, just like what you see right here. In some cases, if you want to make it complete full background color change, how do you do that? Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, go ahead and make sure you create a new layer. Then after create a new layer, come to your foreground color right here, click on it, and then this time around you can decide to make everything like blue color. So I'm going to go ahead and select blue right here, and I'll hit on OK. Then next thing I'm going to do is to come back to my toolbar right here and I'll make sure I select my paint bucket tool. So once you select your paint bucket tool, just drop once and it's going to automatically fill everything with the set color that you choose from your color picker right here. It's that simple. So this is the 4 ways by which you can use to change your background color in Adobe Photoshop. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.